Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again with another video. Okay, this time I am going to cook coconut dumpling. I'm gonna make the coconut, put it on the fire. I put my dumpling in, and I'm gonna use all some of the juice and make my dumpling. And tell me what I'm gonna top it up with. Some fish, some lovely fish I have here. Fork snapper. This is yellowtail snapper, and I'm going to use it. All my seasons are here. My dry season over here. I have cayenne pepper. I have Mr. Dash. I have lemon pepper. I have garlic. And I have a Jamaican season over there. And I have a all-purpose season over there. Okay, and black pepper. Over here, you see my onion, my peppers, my garlic, my parsley over here with some thyme, and my hot pepper here. Okay, stay tuned as I go. I already cleaned up my fish, so I'm gonna use my season for my fish and for my coconut dumpling. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna combine all my season together. And I told you that my season is for my coconut dumpling and my fish. Okay, so I'm gonna fry my fish outside, so I'm trying to get it. So my fish here, some nice fish, right? Nice fish. Okay, I forgot to cut my fish. Hey, when you cut your fish, you know, everything get in the fish. The season, if it's even one cut, give your fish a slice, okay? Okay. All right. So when you season, if you drop some of the seasoning in here, you put some here, and I already washed my fish with my vinegar and my lemon juice. Okay, take out some of the rawness, okay? All right. Okay guys, I came outside to fry my fish. I don't like when it fry inside. Okay? My oil is in the pot and I know it's well hot. So I'm gonna drop my fish in. Very good. Wow, looking nice and sweet. Look at my fish. Okay? Okay. I'm going to blend my coconut now. My fish is finished. So I go ahead and do my coconut. Remember, I told you that I'm making coconut dumpling. I need some of those, this coconut milk to knead the flour. 4 cups of water. I think I'm going to need some more water. Blend it 2 times. Okay, I finished blend my coconut. I have my pot on the fire and with my coconut milk, and here I have some to knead my dumpling. I forgot to let you know that I use 2 coconut because you want it cooked down rich and nice. So I use 2 of these this boy, 2 medium coconut, okay? Alright, I'm gonna put some salt in my flour. Okay, just a little salt in the flour. Okay. And this is 4 cups of flour. 4 cups of flour. Nice. Nice. Very nice, okay? Alright, I'm waiting until my milk give me a boil. And then I will just drop them in there. Milk on the fire. I'm gonna add my seasoning to it, and this is red pepper, green pepper, orange pepper. We have parsley and thyme here with the yellow pepper, and I have my hot pepper over here, my onion, season my pot good, you know, my tomato and my garlic. Okay, I want it to boil, and I'm gonna add some season to it. These are some of my dry season. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoonfuls of all my season that I combine together. Okay, and the Jamaican season of the pimento seed. Okay, you see my pot is coming boiling. Okay, and you round the dumpling. Who don't know how to make dumpling, round it here. Nice, and you take your hand and press it like this. See? We have enough milk and cook my dumpling. My dumpling rich and nice. Enough milk. See it? Alright. Give it a cook. Already have salt in my seasoning. Wow, after 25-30 minutes, look at my dumpling. Look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. See it? Nice gravy. This is coconut dumpling. And I'm going to have my coconut dumpling with fish. Alright. Oh, wow, wow. Look at my coconut dumpling. Look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. And look at my fish. Oh, Lord, it's time for me to eat. Work very hard with this. It's time for me to eat. Right. Look at the gravy. It's very nice. I'm telling you, not because it's me cook it, brother. It's very, very, very nice. Wow. It's nice. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Wow, bye from now. See you next time. And try this at home. Try coconut dumpling with fish. You're not going to stop eating it. Wow. Thank you all.